I'm gonna be doing a bird hunting / squirrel hunting video this time. Yeah, this time it's actually got some light to it, so don't judge me. You know, last videos I've done ain't got no light to it. Just think it's just me talking, and one of them was me riding a 4-wheeler at night and almost hitting a hog. Yeah. This is not a gun. That's part of this table. Just letting y'all know before y'all start thinking that. Cause we all know that guy out there. There's always that guy. The gun I'm using is the silver Kodiak. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good gun, so. You know, you gotta like it. So, see y'all when we get something or see something. Peace. I was filming or looking, and there's a squirrel, not a squirrel, but a lizard right there. If you can see them or not, just saying I see one right now. Camera might not be able to, but. And a group of birds just flew in front over there, all the way down that way somewhere. So far, sounds like we got some stuff coming, but ain't seen nothing besides a couple things yet. So, alright, we got a bird over there. We got a bird. It's not a big one. I can shoot it. I can see it. I'll pause till I see him dead on the ground, because I shot him. And then I'll come pick up the phone and show you the body. Graphic, do not look if you have a weak stomach. Don't look if you have a weak stomach, for those people that do. But, got him. I do believe this is a strong jerk. Right there in the spine, came up. There. So, got one. Let's move on. Maybe get another one down. Remember, this should be a graphic video, guys. I will be doing a giveaway, guys, for the. I don't know what it is, but I remember buying it a really long time ago. Never use it no more. But I'll fast forward to where I find the giveaway prize. And I found it, I forgot. I left it over here when I was getting pellets. I'm doing a giveaway for this pistol. I mean, once I hit 13 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. Leave your name, in the comment in the below. Just like pick me for a giveaway or something. And once I hit 13 subscribers, I'll do a drawing. So just reminding y'all of that. Remember, good giveaway. Oh yeah, and guys, I will be doing it between 2 channels, not just one. So whichever channel hits 13 first will win. They're both at 0 right now. So brand new channels. Try it. Alright, we got another bird. I think this one's bigger, like way bigger. Seen his shadow fly out this tree. Let's see. I don't know, I've seen him somewhere. I'll pause so maybe I see an next bird or I kill one. Alright guys, I do believe that is it for today. Remember that giveaway. Remember 13 subscribers, which channel hits first. I'm not naming the other channel, but because that wouldn't be fair. But yeah, which one hits first? I'm not naming this channel and that channel either. So which one ever hits first, 13 subscribers will get a drawing, and well, hopefully somebody will get lucky. But you have to comment and put your name in it, dude. You can't just, wait. That's it for today, guys. But I haven't seen that many squirrels or anything. I mean, as soon as I got here, squirrels ran away before I could start recording. Not start. But yeah, remember that giveaway? It's a pretty good giveaway right there. I've had that gun for a long while, so lucky getting it free. And that's it, guys. See you next time.